Just imagine you are going to work one day and it started raining. Now you are not able to see the vehicle in front of you because of water splashing, and also you need to move very slowly because there's water on the road surface. Now you are not just late for the work, but you are more susceptible to road accidents. There has to be a better way. Well, there is. Permeable pavement system. These roads not only reduce the skidding and water splashing, but they also reduce noise and refills the groundwater level. Now you must be thinking that if these roads are so good and if they have so many benefits, why don't we implement it everywhere? Actually, there are some problems associated with these kind of pavements. Mainly is lower amount of fine aggregates. This leads to lesser strength, more particle loss and higher pothole formation. This is where an asphalt researcher comes in the equation. Hi, I'm Ani Gupta and I'm an asphalt researcher from India. I'm currently working in a Safer Up project, that is a Marie Curie project in University of Cantabria in Spain, and my main objective is to build more sustainable, more resilient, permeable pavement systems. In order to improve the permeable pavement system, I've tried to improve the porous asphalt mixture. This is a sample of porous asphalt mixture, that is the surface course of permeable pavement system. I have tried to fabricate a new experimental binder at my research stay in CEPSA. This binder will improve the strength of the permeable pavement system. I've also analyzed a variety of fibers, aramid fiber, cellulose fiber, and glass fiber to improve the performance of porous asphalt mixture, and then analyzed their performance by mechanical, functional, economical, and environmental indicators. And I have chosen aramid fiber, aramid pulp, that improves the performance of porous asphalt mixtures. Question is, where are we going to implement these rules? Well, this depends on the location's rainfall intensity, flow accumulation, elevation, etc. I am trying to build a model that will tell you what kind of permeable pavement system is best suited for your location. For more info, please follow me on LinkedIn, ResearchGate and Twitter. This is Ani Gupta, thinking beyond the pavement.